The Redmi K60 Ultra, a flagship marvel on a budget. Picture this, a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display that outshines even the iPhone 14 Pro Max and Galaxy S23 Ultra in brightness. With a dazzling 5K resolution, every detail pops. Oh, and did we mention the buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate? Gaming nirvana, right? Under the hood, no Snapdragon, no problem. The Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset keeps things blazing, clocking in at 3.35 GHz. It's got Pixelworks X7 MEMC magic for extra gaming mojo. Snapping pics? No compromises there either. A flagship 50MP IMX 800 sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, ensures blur-free masterpieces. There's even an 8MP ultrawide and 2MP unit for that extra flair. For selfies, the 20MP front camera shines. Battery worries? Nah. A massive 5000 mAh battery keeps you entertained for hours, and with 120-watt fast charging, 0% to 100% is a blink. But here's the kicker. The Redmi K60 Ultra starts at just $358 for the base version with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. The fully loaded version with 24 GB RAM and 1 TB storage is a steal at $498. Take that, pricier flagships. So, Snapdragon or Dimensity? Performance-wise, it's a showdown, and both deliver like champs. Xiaomi's Redmi range keeps proving it. Premium features, performance, and savings, all wrapped up in the Redmi K60 Ultra.